Hi and welcome to this tarot video. In this video I will show you a simple 3-card spread that gives information and advice on a specific situation. So if you have a problem and you want to, you need advice, you do not know how to react, you are worried about a specific problem and you would like to get some advice on how to react, you can use this simple 3-card spread. So the first card here indicates the current situation. The next card indicates the obstacles related to this situation, whereas the last card gives you advice on how to react in the future in order to solve the problem that you have. So as you can see, it is a very simple spread and the cards are ordered one next to the other.